We've been spotting more and more orange in people's toolkits, which means it's a perfect time to ask, why is everyone talking about Vaunt? One of the reasons for their growing popularity is that not only are they a reliable tool brand, but they have such a wide range of products, from their now iconic wheelbarrows to their saw blades, tool storage and much more. You see a great level of quality across Vaunt products too, and the reason for that is because Vaunt is formed up of people that know the trade inside and out. Many Vaunt tools are designed specifically to solve problems or make your life easier, be it keeping accessories handy, distance measuring, or keeping dry while you're working. And not only do Vaunt make your life easier, but they make your wallet's life easier too. That is because they strive to give you as much bang for your buck as possible. One of the many praises that we hear from customers online and in our stores is that Vaunt strike the perfect balance between quality and value. There's even more on the way, and that is why they are one of the most exciting brands in the industry, constantly looking to innovate, and that is why there has never been a better time to start picking up some orange and black.